Hello, friends, fellow traders, and investors. Welcome to Commodity Market Discussion with SD. मैं हूं SD Shanando Das. I'm a multi-asset trading and investment specialist. This is my regular video. But before we start, kindly note risk management rule number 1 that we do not trade and invest listening to others. This video is meant to guide you, but not to jump on my suggestions. You should do your own analysis. You can learn about it, how to do analysis. You can use my fountain of gold setup, but still ultimately you will have to trade based on your trading plan. So friends, let's start today's discussion. Today is a very important day as highlighted in my short. Today US का central bank यानी Federal Reserve will announce its interest rate decision at India time 11:30 p.m. Our multi-commodity exchange market MCX closes at 11:30 p.m. मतलब right around the time of the decision. So it is extremely, or we have to be extremely careful on how we will carry forward our position. First thing that I do regularly in the morning is take a look at economic calendar. These economic calendars are available across website, TradingView, investing.com, Trading Economics, FX Street. Many websites offer this economic calendar. As a commodity trader, we want to check regularly, means this should be in our discipline work, that regularly we come to the economic calendar and look at 3-star important event of the day. Now, as you can see, this is the most important event. All the global market will be waiting for this event to happen. And then based on what is the outcome, और during this time, उस time का volatility को लेके the price fluctuation that will generate, the big players possibly will enter, exit, re-enter their positions. So 11:30 p.m. US का central bank interest rate is coming up. So I will look at now via the rainbow charts what the market is suggesting on gold, silver before the Federal Reserve or on this day. I also have a class tonight for Rainbow members to discuss on commodity intraday strategies. If you are a Rainbow member, don't forget to join this session at 8 p.m. India time. I'll also very excited Rainbow members that our exclusive Rainbow member section building is going pretty well, and I have started adding videos into the section. Like the latest video came under scanning stocks with Screener X. Topic is how to do the weekend scan with Screener X. And many other exciting videos on strategies are going to come in the upcoming days. So I'm sure Rainbow members, you are looking forward to the opening, gala opening of this section around 8th of November 2025. Now let's look at individually at what are the commodity markets suggesting. First, I'm looking at the international gold or COMEX, commodity exchange that is in the US. We have a sell signal. In my factor setup, I can see 9 out of 12 factors are bearish, clearly bearish pressure as per the daily chart. So gold may I have been warning for quite some time First, my warning came well before the sell-off started on 14th of October because I was sensing frenzy in the market, matlab pagalpanthi, especially in the silver market. Now it has turned bearish. Many traders, even investors into gold bees, silver bees in India has been caught off guard by this sharp sell-off. Let's look at friends in the gold 2-hour chart. Yesterday around the bottom, exact bottom not possible, but around the bottom we have exited. I have highlighted across my social media pages. Let's go to the x.com. I can highlight it in Stockage Social as well. So there was a good chance to do profit booking around the bottom. Will it form the bottom at that time? I did not know. I was trading as per the plan I have decided for myself. So in the 2-hour chart, gold has come back is of little surprise to me, but it is significant to me. It is possible that with the help of today's decision by the Federal Reserve, gold can stage a comeback. The main resistance for gold is around $60 away, around 4035 US dollar. And the main resistance, if gold truly turned bullish, it can once again reach out towards 4,200 US dollar with interim stopover around 4080 US dollar. Now we'll look at gold mini chart, friends, to look at the India situation. In the gold mini chart, I can see it is bearish, sell signal is there. But sell trade ka dekhiye, win probability is around 36% right now, whereas buyers can still showing 54%. So buyers are still somewhat strong and ऐसा possible है market आगे जाके और थोड़ा रेंजिश बन जाए. Let's look at, friends, gold mini India 2-hour chart. I can witness bounce back here, but yet to turn bullish or give us a buy signal. In this setup, almost 6 factors are bullish, 4 factors are bearish, and 2 factors are neutral. Consolidation होने का चांस काफी ज्यादा दिखा रहा है. Now with this, we'll move to silver. Silver, we have a sell signal, but sellers are not strong as the probability meter is suggesting. Let's make it bigger so all of you can see this. Sell trade win probability chance is showing 18%, whereas buyer is 50, consolidation is 50. इन तीनों को मिला के 100 होने का जरूरत नहीं है because each one is calculated individually. So it is showing quite a chance कि range bound होने का chance सबसे ज्यादा दिख रहा है. In the factor setup, I can see 6 factors are bearish, 4 bullish, and 2 neutral. In the silver comics 2-hourly chart, it is turning bullish significantly. And after today's event, silver possibly can push into further high towards once again testing of $50. Around $49.3 is the main resistance. So today's Federal Reserve meeting looks like will be decisive in decoding the next movement in the gold and silver. सो आई एम श्योर कि आप ध्यान रख के ट्रेडिंग करेंगे. दिस इज द चार्ट इन सिल्वर मिनी. सिमिलर चार्ट सेल होते हुए भी सेल सिग्नल, बट बायर्स का जीतने का चांस डिफरेंट 61%. Some may ask, how can this happen? We have a cell 61. This is the beauty of the setup. It does risk management in various ways. The probability calculation has nothing to do with the candle and other backgrounds. It's separately calculated. And it is showing currently sell signal is there, but it is not strong enough. If I look at the 2-hour chart of silver mini India, we got a buy signal. So the sell-off that was there started back in October 17. For the first time, I'm seeing a buying signal. That means selling pressure significantly reduce ho chuka hai. Now friends, let's look at the crude oil. First, the international crude oil. I had highlighted the possibility that crude can still continue to remain consolidation, and only around the second week of November onwards, second to third week of November onwards, we may see more decisive price action. 2-hour chart of international crude oil, जो सेल ऑफ का स्पीड था कल रात से, that has abated, reduce हो चुका है. It is close to an important support level. It is coming. More range bound price action होते हुए मुझे दिख रहा है in the silver. Let's look at India crude oil as well. A buy signal, but it was not a strong one. Consolidation होने का chance is around 71%. So I think more, as said before, the more decisive action in terms of price are likely to happen in the mid of November onwards. We will be able to see more decisive action in crude oil. Nothing is given for guarantee, because friends, what is my philosophy of trading and investing? That I do not know the future. Rather, I try my best to understand the present. And in the 2-hour India chart, there has been selling pressure. It came close to the empty line, close to support. I can see 7 factors are bearish, only 3 factors are bullish. So, मेरे हिसाब से, it is my outlook, I'll stay more on the sideline for now in crude oil and wait out more decisive price action where risk will be relatively lower. Now we are looking at natural gas, friends. Natural gas, मैंने highlight किया था कि more decisive clarity will come after or around the first week of November, 7th, 5th, 7th, 8th November onwards. Natural gas could be turning bullish going ahead, but it needs to clear an important resistance level, 356. Now, if you look at the right side, natural gas is showing that it is up 14%, but you cannot see the movement in price. There is no actual movement. This is happening due to contract shift. In the US, contract changes at the end of the month. That's why you are noticing this high move or big movement जो दिखा रहा है in the NG1, International Natural Gas and Natural Gas India. This is due to contract shift, not actual movement in price. This happens to a concept called in the commodity market backwardation and contango. Now we are looking at the natural gas 2-hourly chart. Very, very mixed market. Buy trade win probability is showing 32%, sell trade around 32%, and consolidation is around 50%. A very mixed market situation. We should wait for a breakout of this zone. ये जो zone create हुआ है उसका breakout, and नीचे we have strong support around 328. So I'll expect more range bound price action in natural gas. The more strong segment of the commodity market has been the base metals. I have previously highlighted I am very bullish on base metal, but I have used exchange traded funds like the DBB CPER to remain long term bullish on base metals. Aluminium is continuing its breakout as per the daily chart. This is the chart of the aluminium. 12 out of 12 factors are bullish. Copper is trying to give break of this zone. जो zone इसने create किया 1011 and trying to sustain. Copper is not as bullish as the aluminium, but close by. Out of 12, 10 factors bearish, 10 factors bullish, only one bearish and one neutral. So it is quite significantly bullish copper. My outlook will be towards bull side. Lead on the other hand is neither bullish nor bearish. It is operating in a small tight range. Last counter I will look at is zinc, another base metal, significantly bullish. So I'll prefer to remain bullish overall in the base metal, especially aluminium, zinc, and finally copper. So that's all, friends. A small discussion, regular discussion on the commodity market. Best wishes from my side to your trading and investing. And as always, happy trading.